Hi everyone, I'm Niputin Tanmidari. How are you today? I hope you are in a good condition because today I would like to tell you a very interesting topic. It is about seminar versus workshop. There are three subpoints that I would like to tell you today. The first one is the nature of seminar. The second one is the nature of workshop. And the last one is the differences between seminar and workshop. So if you are curious, let's start. First, let's talk about the nature of seminar. What is seminar? Seminar is a meeting that is held for sharing information about a certain topic or issue. It is presenters oriented, which means that the presenters are the center of the event. Then what is workshop? Workshop is a meeting that is held for practicing the knowledge. The participants are taking the crucial roles, and the roles of the presenters in workshop are only for assisting the participants. Do you get my point? Next, after talking about the nature of seminar and workshop, then what are the differences between both of them? There are some differences between seminar and workshop. It can be seen from the participants, the interactivity level, duration, and also the venue. Now, let's talk about the differences between a seminar and workshop based on the participants. The participants in a seminar are usually common people, which means that people don't need to be a master or they don't need to learn about a topic if they want to join a seminar. If they are interested into the topic, then they can just join the seminar. The number of the participants in a seminar are more than the participants in a workshop. While in a workshop, the participants are people who are mastering or studying the topic being discussed. So as I mentioned before, the number of the participants in a workshop is lesser than in a seminar. Now, let's talk about the differences between seminar and workshop based on the interactivity level. In a seminar, the interactivity level is lower than in a workshop because in the seminar, as I mentioned before, the participants are more than the participants in a workshop. Therefore, the presenters are only presenting or lecturing the participants, and then after that, the participants will listening to the presenters and then write down the important things and then processing the information. After that, if they have any question, they can ask the question after the presenter finish presenting their topic. While in a workshop, the interactivity level is higher than in a seminar because it is involved lesser participants. Therefore, the participants can interact each other. They also can ask any question, or if they have any problems, they can ask the presenters to help them solving the problem that they faced. Then, what are the differences between a seminar and workshop based on the duration? The duration in a seminar is usually shorter than in a workshop. It is about 90 minutes until 1 day, while in a seminar, the duration is for less 1 day or even more than 2 days based on the requirements or the topic being discussed. The last, what are the differences between a seminar and workshop based on the venue? As I mentioned before, a seminar involves more participants. Therefore, a seminar will use a bigger venue than a workshop. It is usually using meeting room or conference hall. Therefore, the vibes of the meeting will be more formal than in a workshop. While in a workshop, usually it is less formal than in a seminar because people in a workshop should go around and they have to interact each other between the participants and the presenters and also among the participants. Therefore, the venue that is needed in a workshop is more like the comfortable place for the people to move around. Alright everyone, those are the things that I can tell to you today. I do apologize if I made mistake during the video. I hope you can get some new information about seminar and workshop from my explanation. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.